Every time you write new sum class in your calling code, you are locking in a dependency that might come back to bite you. The factory pattern's core purpose is decoupling object creation from the code that uses objects. When you call new directly, the calling code has to know the exact class, its constructor arguments, and all its dependencies. A factory encapsulates all of that. Your client code just calls create something and gets back what it needs without caring how it was built. Two specific scenarios make factories essential. First, when you don't know which concrete class to instantiate until runtime. Imagine a notification service that needs to create email, SMS, or push handlers based on user settings. The factory decides which one. Second, when construction is complex, multiple configuration steps, environment-specific setup, or several objects wired together. Hide that complexity inside the factory, and every caller stays clean. Factories also make your code far more testable. Instead of hard-coding new database connection everywhere, you inject a factory. In tests, you swap it for a mock factory that returns fake data. No real database required. You see this pattern throughout JavaScript, database adapter factories, logging factories, even React component factories that render different UI based on platform or feature flags. Use the factory pattern when creation needs to be decoupled, dynamic, or testable. That's your signal. Follow for more JavaScript patterns. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.